Hello, I'm Sarah and I'm a teacher, and I was trying to get pregnant for a very long time. So once I was pregnant, I was so excited. So the reason that I wanted to get the peanut Doppler was, for one, I was just ecstatic and I wanted to be a part of every second of my child. And also my mom was passing and I wanted her to be able to hear the heartbeat. So basically I did research online, and the reason I chose the peanut Doppler is, for one, it's FDA approved. It is a USA company, but it does have a great detailed manual. It came with batteries, very simple to put in, and it does come with some cream as well. It's very simple to use. It's simple to use. Once the batteries are in, you just turn the power on and ta-da. I definitely recommend it if, for one, you like gadgets and you're excited about your pregnancy, but it is safe to use. It's easy to set up and it works great.